The Indian Navy is set to enhance its operational capabilities with the commissioning of INS Jatayu at the Minicoy Islands in the Union Territory of Lakshadweep, marking a significant advancement in bolstering security infrastructure in the broader area. Against the backdrop of its strategic significance, the commissioning ceremony, overseen by Chief of the Naval Staff Admiral R. Hari Kumar on March 6, 2024, marks the dawn of a new era in naval operations. The establishment of Naval Detachment Minicoy in the early 1980s under the operational command of the Naval Officer in Charge Lakshadweep underscores India's steadfast commitment to enhancing maritime security in the region. Located at the southernmost tip of Lakshadweep archipelago in the Arabian Sea, Minicoy Island is strategically positioned. It lies approximately 70 nautical miles away from Thurakhunu, the northernmost island of the Maldives. Serving as the southernmost outpost of Lakshadweep, Minicoy Island holds a crucial position overseeing essential sea lines of communications. Basing of an independent naval unit with requisite infrastructure and resources will enhance the overall operational capability of the Indian Navy in the islands. The base will enhance operational reach and facilitate Indian Navy's operational efforts towards anti-piracy and anti-narcotics operations in Western Arabian Sea. It will also augment the Indian Navy's capability as the first responder in the region and augment connectivity with the mainland. The establishment of a naval base is in line with the Government of India's focus towards comprehensive development of islands, a government release said. This milestone signifies the establishment of the second naval base in Lakshadweep, following INS Dweep Rakshak in Kavaratti, which reinforces India's maritime presence in the region. With INS Jatayu enhancing surveillance, operational reach, and sustainability, it heralds a new era of capacity building and comprehensive development for the island territories. This development holds particular significance amidst escalating tensions between India and the Maldives, sparked by derogatory remarks made by 3 Maldivian deputy ministers against Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on social media. The incident led to the suspension of the ministers and triggered a diplomatic rift between the two nations. In response, newly elected Maldivian President Mohamed Mizu pledged to remove foreign military troops from the island nation. Consequently, India announced the replacement of Indian military personnel in the Maldives with technical personnel, reflecting a recalibration of bilateral relations amidst shifting geopolitical dynamics in the Indian Ocean region.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.